Talking with my tutors on that year really pushed me for chasing my dreams. Hello, my name is Rojan. I'm from Iran, and now I'm second-year student in the University of Westminster. Before of that, I studied 1 year UAL Art and Design Foundation in King's Education. The one thing that was really interesting for me in the Kings was all members of staff was really careful about the mental health of the students. They really care about us, that we are really happy, we like what we're doing, and that time make me more sociable person. They really put time for talk with us individually in every situation that we have problem or we was struggling, and that was really helpful for me. It's kind of same our project in a college and university. In both we have different brief and each term we are working on. Recently we have done a project which was about showing a sound on the National Gallery area, and we used 3D Rhino model and then 3D printing and laser cut to show the different level of the sound all around the National Gallery, and it was in the exhibition that we had in our university. Being in a small place that tutors help you to understand what you want from art can make you ready for biggest goal, your biggest dream. And I think study art and design in London is really a strong way to understand art in a best way.